YouTube, what's up? What's up? What's up? Yo, man, what's up? Can you hear me loud and clear? Yo, turn my sound up. Can you hear me? Yo, if you can hear me, make sure you can hear me. Comment below. Be like, yeah, you good. Volume good. Yes, I can hear you. Comment below real quick so I can know. All right, comment below if you can hear me or cannot hear me. All right, check it, check it, check it. All right, let's talk about it. I'm finna show y'all how. Y'all, pretty much, y'all take it out. I just released a new strategy to my diamond members, okay? To my diamond students, I just released a strategy. We're gonna be using it on the 1 minute chart. Of course, you can use it on the 5, 15, 30 hour, 4 hour, whatever you want to, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna be using it on the 1 minute. I'm gonna show you how to use it on all time frames. But if you're catching look at this, it's like 200 pips right here. You can do 200 pips on the 1 minute. Why would you go anywhere else? You know what I'm saying? And we're only doing this between 20 and 12. So 8 hours. So in 8 hours, 7.5 hours, you're making 200 pips. So 125, 75, that's 100, 150, 200, 210. So 210 pips, y'all. So check me out. Everybody's asking me what broker do you use? So I use CoinX. Okay. I use clear up all your questions right now. What broker do you use, Bruce? Go to www.coinexbroker.com. That's the broker I use, okay? These arrows are my custom indicator. You can get on mql5.com or go to my website. All you have to do, go to my website, go to tradewithbruce.com. Boom. You refresh the page. This is my website. Trade with Bruce. Click here to go get the indicator. You click here, it'll take you to this page. This is how you get the Bruce's price predicted arrows, right? 233 reviews, 4.5 star rating, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Okay. When I tell you this is the best indicator, it is easy to install in just a few minutes. They do not repaint. Get it, go get it, grab it for your charts. You won't be disappointed. I don't have to tell you. You go check that out on your own. It's $50 for it's $50 one time, $30 for the month if you want to test it out. Screenshots of it. Okay, all different situations. Okay? You just follow the trend. You can't lose, man. You follow the trend, you cannot lose. Know your risk. Okay. So now let's get into it while we're here. First of all, Trade with Bruce website. This is my website. You click here, go to my Facebook profile, okay? Just a video if you want to learn about Forex. Let me see. Okay, this is everything. Another link, some of my entries, all right? Some of my recent entries, diamond package. So look, if you want this new strategy I'm about to show you, you need the diamond package. So go to tradewithbruce.com and purchase the diamond package. Then screenshot your payment, message me on Facebook, and then message me and I'll give you access instantly. Let me get through it. I'm gonna show you how to get in the trades. Little to no drawdown. You know your risk. You know your take profit. Okay, so when you come to this website, go here, click join Bruce's free group. This is where all my students post their profits. So everything is lit. Show everything. That's why I post profits. Everything. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Go to the group. If you click this button on my website, it'll take you to this page on Facebook. Consistent Forex Pips. There's only one that's got 44,000 members in it. That's my group. And this is all my members, all my students posting their profits. Easy money every day. Let's look at this trade. Come on. Why ain't it showing? Is it loading or no? Was it loading? Anyway, you get it. Go check it out yourself. Bruce's Price Predictor, Trade with Bruce website, free group, consistent Forex pips to see all the profits and see everybody excited. All right, now let's get to it. So now look, this new strategy I'm gonna show you as a diamond member, okay? We talking 59 pips. Your entry will be here, 59 pips for a buy. And my strategy would have told you to sell here, take profit here, 27 pips. 27 pips. 27 pips. Strategy's gonna tell you to enter here. We eat it up, we eat it down. We eat it up, we eat it down. We eat it up, we eat it down. Enter. 22 pips negative, stop loss never hit. Stop loss was up here in this range. You know what I'm saying? So as soon as you enter the trade, you know your risk. So you know the risk 27 pips in order to make what? 75 pips. Or 50 pips, 1 to 2. You risk 25. 1 to 1 is 25 pips. 1 to 2 is 50 pips. Okay. Even at the end of the day, you still get another buy signal, 6 pip drawdown, goes up by 10 pips. Comes back down to entry, goes back up 10 pips again. You know what I'm saying? It's just, this is the new strategy I'm about to be doing with my diamond members. We're about to be murdering it. So if you want to jump along, this is your chance. Go to tradewithbruce.com. Go to Facebook. Oh yeah, where's my profile? Let me go to my profile. Go to my profile, Bruce Webb, and I want you to message me. Okay, this is me. Send me a message. Okay, followed by 1,000 people. I'm here. Click the link. Tradewithbruce.com. Okay, and if you hurry up, I'm currently doing a giveaway for one person to be picked to win the diamond package for free. So if you see this video months late, then of course you don't qualify. But if you're watching this today or tomorrow, then if you're watching this today or tomorrow, then you can still qualify. Trade with Bruce, $600 a day, just chilling, withdrawals too, no demo. Let's go. Take profit hit, $840 a day that day. I took 382 to 3,912 in 2 days. Here's the picture. That's weird. It's not there. So here's the picture. Withdraw, deposit, profit. Easy. Okay. So yeah, if y'all want the new strategy, message me on Facebook. Go to Trade with Bruce, get the diamond package. Message me with screenshot. I'll give you access. We're gonna get to it. All right. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm out.